5,000 square feet area, and then they expanded the business in one of the prime city locations in Indranagar 100 feet road in 2011. In 2013, they plan to come up with a new service facility at Marthahalli within 40 to 60 days period from today. Come on, let's clap, because they are planning to expand at Marthahalli. The graphics and the logistics company, which is the second division, has been functioning and has been one of the leading importers and marketing channels for supply of graphic art material to various offset printers in South India. And they have been in this business from 2002, so they have completed almost 11 years. And recently they have added Gulf Oil dealership in their business line. Let me take this opportunity to introduce to you the Cropex team, the wonderful team from Cropex. So please put your hands together for the man with the great vision, the managing director, Mr. Sanjeev Sachdeva, the man with the winning spirit, the director, Mr. Wanik Sachdeva, the backbone of Cropex India Limited, Mrs. Simran Sachdeva, who's also the HR director, the woman who believes in herself, the VP Operations, Mrs. Shubha Lakshmi P. Alwa. Come on, keep clapping, make some noise. The man of achievements, Mr. Prabhu, who also happens to be the sales head, the captain of enthusiasm, who's also the Indranagar branch manager, Mr. Shelton Joseph, the breadwinner of Cropex, the person who's in charge of finance, the money man, Mr. Dinesh Babu, the man of solutions, who's also the AGM of services, Mr. Anthony Prasad. Can we keep clapping for the man who is indeed a man of pleasure, the person who's in charge of new delivery vehicles, Mr. Dinesh Kamath. And then we have got the gladiators of Cropex, the team leaders, Mr. Prakash Shetty and Mr. Shine Raj, who are the sales team leaders. And then we have got the run scorers of Cropex, the entire sales team. You're all standing behind, come in the front, or let me go behind. Okay, the entire sales team from Cropex. Check, I have to be in the front. The sales team from Cropex, keep clapping for Dashrath, Sachin, Pawan Kumar, Naeem Ahmed, Milvin Prashant, Krishna Kant, Abdul Rahman, and the run scorers of Cropex. Come on, make some noise, let's keep clapping for them. So on this wonderful opportunity, on this wonderful day wherein we are launching the car Chevrolet Enjoy, let's start with the auspicious lighting of the lamp. So I would now like to request the SBI branch manager, Mr. Faratullah, to kindly come forward and light the lamp. Can we all put our hands together for Mr. Faratullah? I would also request the personnel from Chevrolet, from Cropex India Limited, to kindly come forward and help him with the lighting of the lamp.
Sir, 5 candles, 5 members. Put. இந்த பண்றியா இல்லை போல நீ பண்ண திரும்ப கரெக்டாக ஷேக் ஆகும்.
Actually, both of you can do it. We have got 5 to be lit over here. And yes, you've got the exact number. So please. Come on, next.
Guru.
Thank you, gentlemen. Thank you, ma'am, for coming forward for the lighting of the lamp. And now is the moment when we launch the all-new Chevrolet Enjoy. Can we make some noise as I call upon the two renowned people over here? Please put your hands together for Mr. Sanjeev Sachdeva and Mrs. Shubha Lakshmi to please come forward and inaugurate, launch, unveil the new Chevrolet Enjoy.